We still await and see.
About the proposed reconciliation, court does not deny them the opportunity to explore and assent. However, I'm mindful of the charges the accused persons are facing, and I'm also mindful of the procedure under the law of cases that can be reconciled upon. I advise the complainants, if they're not interested in further pursuing this matter, to liaise with the representative of the DPP, and the file is forwarded to the DPP for a possible withdrawal under the provisions of Section 121 of the NCA. Considering the provisions of 160, I'm inclined to enter a reconciliation in this matter. However, I'll proceed to deliver my ruling on the bail application. Bail is premised on the presumption of innocence, and for court to grant or not to grant bail, it considers whether the accused persons have a fixed place of abode, and whether, if released, they will be able to return. 2 is whether the accused persons have provided sureties who are able and ready and willing and understand their duties to stand surety for the accused persons. A1 presented his biological mother, his brother, and a friend as sureties. There was no objection of the sureties of A1 by the state. I also find these sureties that were presented by A1 substantial. X2 presented his sister, biological, and 2 friends who have been friends with him for over 18 years. Though the state attorney objected to the sureties, I find them substantial. They are aware of their duties, and they also know the residence of the accused person, and they all reside within the same vicinity with the accused person. I find the sureties for X2 also substantial. I also find that the sureties presented for both accused persons reside within the same locality, that is within Machinga division, and that is within this court's jurisdiction. I find that they will be able to perform their duties as sureties. In the circumstances, I allow the application for bail. However, considering the nature of the case the accused persons are facing, I am putting the following conditions of the accused persons must abide with. Conditions for bail is 1, each of the accused persons are released on cash bail of 1 million shillings. 2, the sureties are bonded at 5 million shillings each. Each of the sureties for each of the accused persons, not non-cash. 3, the accused persons are not allowed to leave the country without express permission of court. If they intend to leave the country, they have to seek permission of court. 4, the accused persons are warned from any interference with the victims or their workplace, whether verbally or through social media. As such attack, if proved, shall lead to automatic cancellation of bail. Those are the conditions for bail. If you meet the conditions above, the matter will come for mention. 13 if you are not. That's
temusobola kutabagana butabaganye olw'ekika ky'emisango egibavunaanibwa wabula abasabye mukwatagane n'omuwagi wa gavumenti okulaba nga emisango gino gibagibwako mu butongole ng'amateeka bwe gakirambika Mu nsonga ya beyiro kkooti egambye nti kkooti bw'ebanga egenda oba okweyimirirwa etunuulira nti avunaanibwa alina ekifo ekyenkalakalira mwabeera ajja kusobola okudda mu kkooti olunaku lwaba yeetaagibwa nga n'abalima baleese bagwanidde. Avunaanibwa asooka yaleeta maama we ng'omulima, mukwano gwe ne muganda we omuwabi wa gavumenti teyawakanya balima abo, era kkooti nayo ekizudde baali bagwanidde okweyimirira. Obuvunaanibwa obwokubiri yaleeta mwannyina n'emikwano gye ebiri, newankubadde gwe muwabi wa gavumenti yawakanya abalima bano ababiri. Kkooti y'ekizudde nti bano baali babadde emikwano gye okumala ebbanga ddene era n'ekizuula nti bagwanidde era baali bamanyi obuvunaanyizibwa bwabwe n'emirimu gyabwe gye balina okukola, ate era nga batuuze b'omu kitundu kino n'avunaanibwa gy'abeera nti basobola okukola omulimu gwabwe. Kkooti ekkiriza okusaba okweyimirirwa ku bukwakkulizo buno wammanga okusinziira ku kika ky'omusango ogubavunaanibwa. Buli avunaanibwa agenda kusasula kakadde kamu mu buliwo. Abaabeeyimirira buli omu ajja kusasula obukadde 5 singa abantu bano babula ne batadda okusasula gavumenti ya Uganda buli omu oba n'okwatibwa. Basabiddwa obutafuluma ggwanga, oyo yenna ayagala okufuluma eggwanga alina okusooka okusaba olukusa okuva eri kkooti. Basabiddwa obutalumbagana babavunaana mu ngeri yonna, oba ku mitimbagano oba gye babeera, singa ekyo kkooti enaakizuula wadde gye bakolera temukkirizibwa kubalumba. Singa kkooti enaakizuula okweyimirwa kwabwe kujja sazibwamu. Obukwakkulizo obwo nga bumaze okubutuukiriza, omusango gujja kudda mu kkooti nga 13 January omwaka ogujja.
Satisfy the conditions which had been set. They are ready now to receive the ruling. And we start on our prayers that we are carrying again. Grant the accused persons. So pray.
Maybe also one of the issues that arose the other time was reconciliation, and steps were taken to reconcile the parties. Since the parties have taken seriously the reconciliation of this matter, court bases on that, exercise its discretion, grant what is possible today.
Has the reconciliation been concluded or is it a work in progress?
Worship. It has been concluded, and additional statements have been recorded.
Zakoleddwa basabye kkooti ebalungamye ku kyekiddako. Era olwaleero omusango gubadde gujja kuwulira kusalawo kwa kkooti era beetegefu.
Before I hear from the state, let me hear from each of the victims whether whatever has been submitted upon is true. Mr. Matovu, have you been approached?
Yes, please.
process the lawyers are informing me about, was it with your consent?
What is it?
Are you in agreement with the process?
Yes.
Mr. Don Alex is not the position. Is it true these people approached you? You discussed willingly and you agree with their terms. Mr. Leander, were you part of the process? Here in court. Where is the company located? What's your relationship with the applicant? What's your relationship with the applicant? What do you manage for him? It's a registered company. So it's not a company. When you say process, it's not a company. No, counsel. I am talking to him. So it's not a company. Where do you stay? Where is it from? Which division? Division? How long have you lived there? President? You know your role as a surety. What is your role as a surety? I'm not hearing you, engineer.
Twawulira by'oyogera ng'obuvunaanyizibwa bwo obumanyi. Obuvunaanyizibwa bwo nga mweyimiridde.
As a surety, what is your role?
Gwe nga zo mweyimiridde.
Counsel, allow him speak. He's your boss. How are you going to ensure he returns to court? Remember, he does not take instructions from you. Instead, he gives you instructions.
Bakawaida 28 kasemateeka bwe kagamba.
And the accused person pleaded not guilty to the charges.
So just tell me why you think you will not have performed. That is what I need. You all know he pleaded not guilty.
Your Worship, the accused person has presented sureties in this honorable court, who shall ensure that he appears as and when required. And the accused person is a resident in this area of this honorable court. In the fixed place of abode. That shall guarantee that he shall not abscond bail. Your Worship, this matter also has been undergoing reconciliation. Whereby the complainant recorded an additional statement in this matter.
Most obliged, Your Worship.
Your Honor, the accused person for the applicant for bail has sureties in court ready to stand for him. With number 1, Your Honor. That's a chimpi. Security Kasim, Your Honor, is the chairperson.
Kasim, how old are you?